Let's try this again. Good morning, YouTube. I'm doing a YouTube video today on this catch can I just installed on the 2011 Camaro SS. And it was really simple. The big takeaway here is if you have a problem, go to the video by Phase Tech Performance. They will show you explicitly what you need to do, and it's not hard at all, really. Get that up, pull this out, just like that. All right, so what's in here? If you follow these hoses here, see they go up in there, and it's not that easy to get to, so you have to disconnect wiring here, and you gotta pull these back, and it's good to disconnect that one too. I went ahead and pulled that off, and just to get things out of the way. But the main takeaway from this video is gonna be, I've been struggling with a lean bank code, 171 and 174 on this car. It's intermittent. I reset it, drive it for a minute, be fine. Take it 20 miles away, and then come on. What the heck? So, what I'm getting at here is, when I pulled the line off that this replaces, all right, what I found was a crumbly little line. I mean, it just came apart in my hand. It was not pretty. And I hope that's what the problem was, because, you know, when you got something on both banks, it's got to be in the main intake. You're getting pirate air, right? That's why you get those lean bank codes. So, here, let me see if I can get that piece out for you. These lines are real easy to take off. Like I said, if you look at the Phase Tech video, you'll see that this little jewel here, you just push it like that, and it opens up and it slides right off the fitting. But that's not good. That came apart when I was trying to take it off. If it was that crumbly, then, you know, it could have been cracked already and leaking major amounts of air. So I reset the fault, and hopefully that took care of it. And there'll be other videos to come. And but yeah, that JLT went right in, no trouble. Catch can, old separator, whatever you want to call it. We'll see how it works.